Hello, it's Dan again. I don't know what the music's about, it's free. So, there's that explained. Another crappy English spring day, nice and wet. There's not much flying going on. They have flown to the top of the house. Well, 12 of them have. One of them that's a bit younger than the others can't fly that well yet, and there's one that looks a bit iffy. He's not developing, or she's not developing as well as I'd like to see. Seems a bit miserable. Doesn't fly around a lot. But see how it goes. Excuse the state of my lawn. That's what having 2 dogs and kids does. And the garden in general is a bit of a shit tip, but it'll be nicer by the end of the summer. Keep plodding on with it. I'm working on getting them to come back, and it's going pretty well. Helps that they're a bit more hungry now. I'm not feeding as much as they want all the time. To begin with, they just had food down constantly, but they look like they were getting a bit fat and lazy, so I cut them down to what they should be eating. I measured them out in the morning and in the evening. Keep them keen. You can see they enjoy their food anyway. I've got deep litter in at the minute, just while they're young birds, and as soon as they start hopping up on the perches I'll clear all that out. I don't want a stinking 2-inch, 3-inch of shit and sawdust. I don't think the missus would like the smell. It's my cat, he's alright. He don't bother with birds. Well, he would do, but he knows he's not allowed to, so.
You see them others off.
And he's good at fighting other cats, which is a good thing. The neighbour seems to like breeding them. Still, they don't complain that I keep pigeons. I won't moan about their cats. They're so tame. I mean, like, if I sit down, the majority of them will just come over and jump on my lap. I don't know whether that's a good thing now. Sometimes when I'm going in trying to do things, put the food down, whatever, they're just completely fearless. It's nice though. I'm glad they have a bit of trust in me. You can see they're getting a lot stronger. Last time they were barely taking off, now they're shooting around with good things. I've had a few more cats attempt to swipe them, but I'm always out. Whenever I let them out, I'm always out with them. The amount of cats that are about, I can't just leave them. It'd be nice if I could, but I know if I did, they'd get taken. Or some of them would.
Get in, digger. In.
I don't get why they have such an interest in the cat flap. That's something it just puzzles me. I used to keep chickens and they were exactly the same. They'd all just sit at the cat flap. These pigeons seem to like doing the same thing. There's no food down there, there's been nothing dropped there, there's nothing for them to eat, but they just like sitting by the cat flap, waiting for my little terrier to come out and have a go at them. The dog at the cat flap at the minute, he's alright. He's old and fat, so he couldn't catch him if he tried. The little one though, she's, like I said before, a killer. I'll be happy when they can actually take off. and range a bit and be gone for a little while. The only time I'm going to get complaints, I think, from the neighbours will be in this initial stage, and they're learning to fly. I've had word with them, and they said okay. No worries. I had a drop crap out of scrap wood and plywood I had laying around and pound shop epoxy. So, not professional at all, but that's the job. They can't get out of it, that's the main thing, and they can get through it. Yeah, it'll do for now. Till the weather's nice, I'll start making things properly, but at the minute, cold and wet. I can't be doing sitting outside for too long. Well, I suppose that's it really. If you've watched this far, well done. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more.